Hello everyone and welcome to today's live session. I am Aditya Kumar Shah and today we will be diving deep into one of the most exciting questions we have for you. How did we achieve this 232% profit growth in just 3 months and what it holds and what does the future hold as of now. So we have been able to provide with the consistent gains of 232% in just 3 months. So what does the future hold for us as of now? We will analyze whether these impressive streaks will continue to rise, face challenges, or stabilize over time, right? And then we come to the agenda overview. What will be in our agenda today? Here, what we will cover today, just look at it. We will cover the story behind our growth, what drove this number, fundamental and technical analysis to assess the sustainability of the growth, scenarios for the future, what happens next, and most importantly, actionable insights for you as an investor. So we have to look after all these things. We have to look after the story behind our growth and what it and how it is being drove this number, fundamental and technical analysis to assess the sustainability of the growth. Second, we will have the scenarios for the future, what will happen next, right, in the uncertainty and volatility in the market. Fourthly, the most important point which we will cover, actionable insights for you as an investor. Ask how many of you have experienced significant gain in your portfolio during this period. Let me know in the chat how many of you have gained significant gains, and most of the answers are yes. So most of the people are making gains, significant gains in their portfolio by following our recommendation. Correct? Am I correct? Yes, yes, yes. Many of the yeses coming. So for all of the profits which we have generated, it's all on the live streaming, and we have been consistently delivering you with the returns. In this 3 month period, we are able to generate you with the profitability of 232%. So feel free to drop your questions in the comment. I will address them during throughout the live session, as many as I can, right? The answering all the questions in the live streaming is not possible, but I will try to answer all of them, right, and as many as them, so you will be getting insights into this. The Let's analyze by analyzing the key drivers behind this growth. So we have to go at the sector contribution. We have to look industries, right, which saw a contributing significantly in our growth. Stock highlights, for example, we have stock which have rose by many percentage, and some stocks have surged by many percentage, right? We have to go through the market trends, the with the value which fuels by the factor like economic recovery. Even when the economic recovery was not there in last 2 3 months, the GDP data were bad, still we were able to perform significantly and make some gains for you. So are you ready to get the insights how we are making able to make the profit? Let me know in the comment. So yes, 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 most of the answer are yes. So we will just go deep dive and analyze the market. So what are the factors behind this? What are the factors behind the success? So we have seen there has been fall in economy, there has been fall in sectoral performance, there has been fall in global trade also. Overall, if we see all the markets are facing some uncertainty, and the market are consistently dipping. But we are able to provide you with the returns of significant returns, not the returns, significant returns of 232%, right? So let's have a look on our holding currently. So this is the holding we have currently, from Hindustan Oil Exploration to Annapurna to RBL Bank, Muthoot Finance, right? We have made multiple entries, and as of now, we have 8 stocks in our holding. So we have 8 stocks in our holding, and we have made multiple entries in that stock. Some of the entries are 3, 4, 2. So these are the entries we are having currently, right? So I guess many of you have made significant profits and have been following us from all these 3 months. And for those who have made all the profit, who are around our profitability of 232%, just let me know if you have executed all the trades and have reached the profitability of it. So we can see many of the answers are yes, yes, yes. Someone telling 150%, and second one 200%. Wow. And someone has just started a week ago and they are able to make the profit of 80%. And we can see some of them are making 60%, 70%. Wow, 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 wow. So most of the traders, most of the investors, we have been profitable. Just great to see that. Just great to see that most of the traders and investors who are following us making great profits. Most of the traders are profitable till now. So let me know that are you able to make that profit by yourself? Just let me know in the comment section. So I can see the comment. It's no, 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 no. So most of you are not able to make it by yourself. So when you have joined Dolphin Markets, it has shows you the reliability, correct? So it has shown you the reliability, it has shown its potential, how potential we are to generate returns for you. So you are getting interested in the market, correct? Yes. So most of the answer is yes. We are getting profit from Dolphin Markets. Yes, yes, yes. So it is very great to see our viewers, our clients making great profits. Investors who were facing huge losses are converted to making profits currently. So it is very good to see, very good to see that most of the clients have reached our profitability level from 60, 70% to 150%. And even some clients are there who have followed our recommendation from the beginning and have reached the profitability of 232%. So isn't that great, guys? Isn't that great, the profitability which we are able to achieve? Just we will go through our entries. We have made our entry in Hindustan Oil Exploration on the date of 18th of September, and then we have been consistently delivering you with this date, stock, time, direction, entry, and the trade close, the target price, and the profit. So these are the levels we are having as of now, and we have been consistently delivering you with the great returns. So we have been seeing, we have been providing you with the dates where we have entered the stock code, either it is listed in BSE or in NSE, and then the timing of the stock where we have entered that, right? Where we have entered that, correct? The timing of the stock and the direction. What direction we are following? We are following majorly the long direction. Why we are following the long direction? Because if we face some losses in the long, we can just average it out, right? And we can just average it out and make the pricing concise, and you will be profitable on that, right? So even if you are averaging it down at the lower price, your average price will come down. And we have made our with our entry what price we are making an entry. So just remember, you are entering at this price level, right, which we are providing you. And what are the else things we are left with? We have been closing our trades have been closed, and the target price is already mentioned. So these are the target price which we are able to exit and gain significant gains. Just look at the gains we are making. We are delivering 6%, 11%, 6%, 5%, 5%, 6%. So this is the gain we are able to deliver it to you through our strategy, right? And if we calculate the total, if we add up all these gains in the market which we are able to achieve, you are able to achieve the profitability of 232 232 232. That means 232% of profitability in just 3 months. In just 3 months you are able to achieve this 232% of profitability, right? And you are making significant gain in the market. You have turned now into the profitable trader, likes. So it is a market interesting for you. You have turned From loss making investor, we have made you the profit making investors. You were facing huge losses before coming to the dolphin markets, and now you are facing huge profit. Now you are able to take your money out from the stock. You are able to grow your portfolio significantly, correct? And you are making profits in most of the recommendation which we have provided. So it is very great to see that, and most of them are making profits for the few of the stocks which are still in our holding. So these are the stocks which are in our holding, right? These are the stocks which are in our holding. We will be easily able to exit that. We have also explained the formula of averaging down. Why we do the averaging down? When the stock comes at the average 226 or 375, we will be able to safeguard our capital. And if the stock reaches from that point, we don't have to wait for the entry point which we make at the first place. We just have to wait for that stock, right? We have to wait for the price, the average price, 5% price, and then we will be able to exit from there. So this is the reason why we are averaging down. And once the market stabilizes, once the stock starts growing, we will be making an exit and making a quick money from the market, correct? So this is the profit taking strategy, and we will deep down into each and every stocks we have in our holding, and let's see how market is performing currently. So we'll just go through the trading view, and let's have a look how the market is performing. So currently, a 7 out of 8 stocks are negative. Currently, the market sentiment are not good. The market sentiment are not good, right? The market sentiment is falling continuously. Let's have a look on the market side how the market is doing. So we will go and analyze each and every stock one by one and have a look why the market is falling continuously and it is affecting our stock as well. So going into the DDEV plastic. So for DDV plastic, we have made our left soldier head and right soldier here, right? So just have a look on it. Yesterday, we have made our left soldier, the right support within the head and the right soldier. So left soldier, head and right soldier. So it was generating capacity, and we were expecting to increase from this level because it has shown some increment. But we will just adjust it and have a look how it can grow currently. So we are expecting to increase at this point, right? And so you will just, so we can see the right soldier can be seen here, and at this point if we look, there is some consolidation going on. Just have a zoom on it, and if it is able to sustain at this position, we will be seeing some bounce back coming up. If you look at the volatility, look at the volumes, the main funds are entering into the market at this position. And again yesterday there was an increase in the main fund, and we have a critical support level here. Just look at the critical support level. We have the critical support level at this position, but we don't expect this stock to follow at the critical support level because we have been making a head and shoulder pattern, right? Head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder is here, the head is here, and the right shoulder is here, and we are expecting to grow the stock to bounce back from this level and grow higher. We can see the increase in volume. There was a sudden increase in volume, right, has taken place on the date of 13th and 14th 16th of December, and there was a decline in last few trading days, but again the volume is making mark. Look, the volume is making mark. The previously the volume was very low, and now the volume is increasing, and we will be seeing upside in this stock once the volume increases. It is the increment in the volume, and for most of the days we have seen a decrement when the volume has decreases, right? So we are explaining again and again why when the volume is low we will be seeing some negativity in the market, and the market will be falling, for the stocks will be falling. And once the volume is grown, you can see the green candle appearing, right? The trading volumes are high, so the market sentiment is high, and we have seen a green candle appearing. And when the volume is low, Just look at the volume. When the volume is low, the market are falling. For sometimes when the market volume is high, but still the stock falls due to the profit booking, right? We have seen there's an increment in here, and there was a volume, high volume, but still the stock price declined. So due to the profit booking area, and we have seen the stock is making consolidation, and today also the volume is very low as of now. So once it increases, it will break the resistance. It will break the resistance at 315 to 340, 315 to 320, and will make the new high. We have our entry price at the level of 330, and we will have our target price at the level of, we'll just make our target price. What will be the target price? Any guesses, right? For the 5% stock we have made, what will be the target price for it? What will be the target price? So the target price we have made in DDEV plastic is at 347. We'll just add that up. So this is the target price we will be having. We'll just add that up. This will be our target area. So this will be our target area. If we look, we'll just add this text of target area 5%. So we'll just minimize it, and so this will be our target area at 347. We have made our entry at 330, and this will be our target area at 347. And once we see the boom coming up from here, from this position, right, from this position, if the booms start gaining, we will be able to reach at the target level. We will be able to see the target level has been increased till this level, and we will be able to make an exit point. This is the exit point. Just remember, this will be the exit point for this stock. Exit point. So this will be the exit point for the 5% target area. For people who are targeting the 5% target, this will be the exit point at 347. So just remember this number. What is the target price? 347 will be your target price for the people who have made entry at 330. And for people who are entering you, just wait for 347 level. You will be able to make 10 to 15% of profit if we reach the target price of 347. And we are very positive around that. We are very positive for that. So just remember, we will be reaching that level as well, right? So these are the level we are having currently. I have just mentioned the target area where we can go and look for it, right? And the area where you can book your profit. We have a strong resistance at this point, 314 to 324. Just we have to view that if it is able to break the resistance with good volume. If it is able to break the resistance with good volume at this position, we will be seeing more upside coming and reaching. It's not stopping below the target area. It will be reaching and making the new high, right? So for their plastic we have done. For we will go for the Annapurna. Let's have a look at Annapurna. Annapurna is down by 364. Annapurna is at currently 364, down by 0.29%. Let's have an entry. Let's have a look on entry of Annapurna. For Annapurna, we have made our entry at 430, right? 395 and 380. For Annapurna, we have made our 3 entries. Just have a look on Annapurna. So looking into the Annapurna, we can see averages price of both the entries are given at this position. We have made our averages price for this entry. It is at 390. So averages price for the Annapurna are at 390, correct? So averages price are given, and the 5% target area for this entry we have at 400 to 405. So these are the target price of the area. We have a strong support in Annapurna at the level which it is currently trading at the level of 343 to 366. So this is the strong area where where the Annapurna is trading currently, and we are seeing some bounce back. We have to see it is making some, yeah, so it is making head and shoulder pattern as well. Just have a look. uh, so left shoulder has been made here, head is here, the right soldier is here currently, and it is able to bounce back. Just look, it will be able to bounce back. Just have a look, right? We will be seeing here. So we can see the left and right soldier are able to at far distance, and we can see there will be a bounce back coming up from the right shoulder, and we are expecting some gains to grow here. Just will adjust that. If you adjust that point, you will be able to see clearly there has been formation of head and shoulder pattern, and the stock will keep on increasing till the target price. If we reach at the target price, we will be seeing more upside coming in. So we will be reaching our target price at this level. So remember, this is the exit point for you to make profit. To make profit of what percent? For 5% profit. There has been consistently dipping into the stock. Just look, there has been constant dipping in the stock. But if we look at the patterns, we will be seeing some upside coming up. Just look at the pattern. So there has been increase in the pattern from this level. We can see, right? If we can look, here has been increment, and again it was a increment from that level, and now it is now it has come to this level. If it sustains at this level, we will be seeing more upside coming on. Just look at it, we have seen upside here, the increment upside, and here also there was an increment upside coming up. It has gone to the resistance point, and if we sustains the support, we will be seeing more upside coming up. So these are the level where we can see the upsides will be coming up, because we have seen the fall when it makes this trajectory, and when it falls for a level, and it consolidates at some point. There has been sudden spike, and there will be increase in the stock price, and we will be easily able to exit in this Annapurna and make profit. So these are the level we are able to achieve. We'll just delete it. So you will just adjust it, right? So these are the level we have made for head and shoulder. Left shoulder is at position of 367. The head is at position of 364, and the right shoulder is at 362. So it is on and around same position. It is on and around the support level, and if we see some increase coming up, it will be a great show here, and the stock will keep on rising, stock will keep on increasing. We have done for the Annapurna. If we go and look for the Hindustan oil exploration, so Hindustan oil exploration is currently trading at 194.07, 194.07, down by 0.30% currently. So we have one quote written here: Trend is your friend till the band at the end. Trend is your friend till the band at the end, right? So the trend will be your friend till the band of the end. Just have a look how it is, how the formation of trading is taking place, right? So if you look at the data, the chart, if we see from last 2 years, just look at it. It is making some good highs and lows continuously, right? It is making some good highs and lows continuously, and now it is at the position trading at the level of 190. It is for many days we can see that the stock has been seen consolidation around this level, at the level between, from the November month, the stock is trading around this level, right? And it has made a high here, but again it has fallen. So this is the level where stock is continuously making high, low, and it is consolidating at this phase. So from this phase, if we look, we can see some increment here, and there will be a spike in the stock price, and we'll be able to see highs coming up, right? It has to break the resistance to make the support. If you look at the Hindustan Oil Exploration, we have our average price at 226. So average price will be at 226 for Hindustan Oil Exploration. Just will add that up, what will be the average price. So for Hindustan Oil Exploration, we have average price at 226. So we'll just make it up. 226 will be our average price. We'll just delete this up to make it more clear, right? So 226 is our average price. So the black line represents average price of the stock. We'll just make it dark so that you can able to understand. This is the average price of all the entries. Average price for all four entries. Average price for all four entries, and the 5% target price from this level will be at 236 to 240. So this will be your 5% profit making target, right? 5% profit area. So this will be your 5% profit area between the level of 236 to 240, and it has also a strong resistance prevailing here. That's why we have averaged it down and made you the resistance. So when the stock will reach, when the stock will break this resistance, the next resistance will be at, what will be the next resistance? So the next resistance we will see, I will just make it up. So the next resistance will be at this position, because we can see there has been a lot of resistance coming at the level of 240, and we have made our 5% target area at this point. So just remember that our next resistance will be coming at the level of 5% target area, because we have seen many stock consolidating at this point. Just remember at the level of around 240 to 245, that will be our main resistance. So we have to exit before at this area. This is the 5% target area. We have to exit before that. So exit at this position for making 5% target, 5% profit. Just remember that. So you have to make a exit, right? Make a exit at this 5% profit area to avoid any resistance coming up. Just look at the resistance it has at this level, right? So you have to exit before that, so that you are being profitable here also, right? So these are the things which I wanted to show to you. We'll just have a look. Sorry, I'll just add that up. Yeah. So it is added that five average prices is at 226, and the 5% profit area will be at 236 and 240. Now coming to the RBL Bank, what RBL Bank is doing, and we can see the stock price of Hindustan Oil Exploration has fallen by 0.06%. Now RBL Bank, we will look at the RBL Bank. Just look at the RBL Bank. RBL Bank. So you can see the trajectory for the RBL Bank. It has been falling continuously as of now. The RBL Bank fall has been continuous, and we are expecting some bounce back. Just look at it. The RBL Bank fall has been continuous till now, right? And at in this position, we are seeing some consolidation. It didn't happen at the previous level. So here the consolidation is going on. Just have a look. We can see some consolidation happening currently, right? Consolidation is happening at this level, and there has been strong support at the level of 145 to 150, where the stock has bounced back. It was bouncing back, but there was a decline in the stock. at the level of after reaching the certain level 180, it has gained 20% from this level. Just look, it has made a gain of, from its low it has able to make a 20% gain. So adding text, 20% gain was made, 20% gain from low in just a matter of 2nd December to 11th December, and the trading session was around 7 to 8 trading session. We are able to see making gain from it, making gain, a lot of gain from it. In just 7 to 8 sessions, it was able to make 20% gain from its low. But again, it has started falling. But again, it has started falling currently, and it is taking a dip as of now. So the fall has been taking place as of now, and it is around the resistance and support level. The support is at 146 to 153, right? The support is at this point, and the resistance is at 176 to 180, 181. So this is the resistance level we have, right, between the level of 176 to 182. And if we have to look, if it breaks with the good volume, right, if it breaks with a good volume, we will be able to see more upside coming here. So if we look at the pattern, yeah, so if you look at the pattern, we will be able to see it is making a head and shoulder pattern, right? So let's have a look which pattern it is making. Just have a look. XAEBD. So the pattern is not clear as of now, so we will not go for making any pattern currently. But we can see there was a gain from its low. So here we have a huge support level at the level of 145 to 150, and there was a gain around that till 180, and we are seeing a decrease from that position. And now we can expect the stock grow from this level and make a new high. So we'll just add this and look the arrow marker, right? The stock could turn around from this level and make some good high, so we can reach to our target price area price where our averages entry have been made. So we just add that up, the average entry, and make it to you more clear. The RBL Bank entry was at 200 205, and the target price is at 210 and 15, right? So have a look on that. So we have our entry at 200 to 205, and the target price was at, so this is our entry level, because we are expecting some fall. So this will be our entry level, right? So this is the entry level for us we have as of now. This is the entry level, and we have a target level at the level of 210 to 215. So this will be our target level, right? Correct. 210 to, so you'll just add this line so that you are able to get a clear view of that, and you will be able to see where our target price is. So our target price lies at 218 to 215. So this is our target price, right? So you'll just add this up. So this is the target price we have for 5% profit. For 5% profit, we have a target price at the level of 210 to 216. As you can look in our Excel sheet as well, we have made our RBL bank entry at the level of 200 to 205, and the target 5% target price is 210 to 215. So just it is as we have shown in the chart also, the entry level we have made at the level of 200 to 205, and the target price of 5% profit is at 200, between 210 to 215. So this will be your target price for the RBL bank as of now. And if we see some upside coming up, we can see a more of 10 to 20% gain suddenly coming up, because the RBL bank has shown its potential previously. Also, it has shown a from gain from its lower price, and it has started making gains, right? So we have seen gains in the RBL bank, and we will be seeing gains continuously. So it was able to make 20% gain here, and if it is able to sustain at this position between the 170 to 180, we will be able to see RBL bank making some new highs and gain from here. So just remember what are the positions we have as of now, right? And what are the levels we are looking. So looking into the Muthoot Finance, if you look at the Muthoot Microfin Corp Limited. So we have made our position in Muthoot FinCorp Limited at the level of 223 and 225. So this is the level we have for Muthoot MF. We have made our entry at 223 to 225, and the 5% target price was at 235 to 237. So let's have a look on Min for. So the entry price we have already made at 223 to 225, and the 5% target area is at the level of 237 to 240. So this is the 5% target area for Muthoot MF, right? So just add this and look how it is showing currently. So remember, whenever you are reaching this area, you are able to exit that position, right? So this is your entry price, right? So this is your entry price. I'm just making it attractive. So whenever you reaches this point, you are able to make a smart exit from this position, and you are able to exit from here. If you look at the Muthoot FinCorp, it is continuously showing a sign of consolidation. It is continuously consolidating, right? It is continuously consolidating at this position. Just look at it. It is continuously consolidating around the support level. So you can have a consolidation, and we can expect an increase in it. So it is showing a sign of consolidation, and the main big players are also not here. So main funds are also not here. Just look, the price is continuously volatility. So it is going through a consolidation phase. What phase it is going to? Consolidation, right? So it is going through some consolidation phase. Just look at it. It is going through the consolidation phase, and if it is not able to maintain its support at the level of 178 and 184, so it can fall more. It can fall more from here. We can expect both sideways happening currently. Just have a look. The both sideways can happen, right? We can either expect some increase or decrement from this level. So if we move the chart, we can either see an increase or decrease. So if it falls below the support level, we will be able to see a decrement. If it falls below this level, we will be able to see the decrement in the stock from at this level, right? So we'll just add this. We can see a red mark from if it continues to fall till here. If it continues falling here, so we will be able to see red mark. But if the stock price increases, we will be able to see if it breaks the resistance at this level. If it breaks the resistance, if it start going at this level, we will be able to see more upside coming up, and it will be increasing. It will be good for the stock, and that will be green for the market. So we have to wait for the point where it breaks the resistance, right? And if it is able to reach our target price or not. So that's the main critical point we are able to see. If it breaks the resistance with a good volume, if it is breaking the resistance with a good volume, we will be seeing more upside coming up, and the Muthoot Microfin Limited will be making the will be reaching the 5% profit target area very easily. So looking into the IP rings, in next we have IP rings currently. IP rings, if we have look, the IP ring is trading currently at the level of 201 for the entry price which we have made. In IP rings, we can see the entry price was made around the level of IP ring. We have made the two entries, 230 and 200 to 205. The second entry was at 200, 205, and the first entry was at position of 230. So we have an average of 215 for the IP rings. So let's just have a look how IP ring is currently performing now. So we can have a look. IP ring is currently trading around our level only, and it has shown some patterns which can show the growth in it, and it is not making some great pattern as of now, right? So we have to look how it is going to. So if we see there is a three drivers pattern, if we look at it, three drivers pattern, yeah. So we can see the pattern is at, right. So here from this point we can expect to see there is a increase in price. Just have a look. Three diverse pattern is forming, and from this level we can see the prices to increase continuously, and you can look at the level, it will be forming a good pattern from this point to this point, right? And it will be keeps on increasing at this level. So we can see expectations are there that it will be growing from this position, and we will be making a smart exit at our target profit area at the level of 214 and 215. So the target profit area is not much far, we just have to wait and we will be able to see our making our target profit area. And we have a resistance, small resistance here, and the major resistance lies at the level of 239 and 240. We don't have to wait for that to make our profit at this level. We will be reaching our average price at this entry, right? So we have our average at this for both the entries. So we'll just add that up. I will just delete it. I have made you understand, I guess. So we'll just add the text for the average price for both the entries. So for the average price of both the entries, we can see we have made at the level of 215. So this is the average price of that. And for the average price to reach the 5% target area, what will be the target area for the average of 215? It will be 226, 226 and 227. So this will be the target price for the people who have made entry, right? The people who have made entry and will be able to exit at that position. So I'm just searching for a rectangle. So here will be your target price for the entries which we have made, right? So this will be your target price 227 to just I will add the this will be your target price. So this will be your target area, average target area for 5% gain. So if you have made both the entries at the level of 230, you have made the entry at the level of 230, and you have made a second entry at the level of 200. So that for that the target area for you will be at 226 and 227, right? So this will be your target area, and you will be able to gain from it. So for people who are making multiple entries with, or who are making who are following all our recommendations, the target area will be this 226 to 227. So be rest assured we will be achieving our target area very soon. Now coming to the Puna Wala is also showing some downfall. So each and every stock currently today is in down for our portfolio. We don't have to worry about that. Once the market stabilizes, we will be making some great comebacks and showing you the potential which we hold, which the Aditya holds, and which the Dolphin markets hold, and will be showing the potential to each and everyone. Why the dolphin market is called the master of the market, why we are here, why we are FIs. Don't forget that we are FIs. We have many strategies just to bounce back and make profit in the market. We know how to bounce back and make profit. So just be rest assured, you don't have to worry. We will be back with a bang and will be started making profit for you. So for Punawala, we have seen there is a flip zone and the stock price have fallen a bit, right? So in Punawala we have seen there is a flip zone and the stock price is trading between the level of 343 to 374. This is the level we have for Punawala, and we expect to grow. The Punawala is showing some sideways pattern, but if we look at the pattern, just have a pattern look on it. We have three drives pattern appearing. Three drives pattern means it will be a bounce back. I guess it will be a bounce back for you. Just look at it. Will it be a bounce back for Punawala? So yes, we have seen a three drivers pattern, right? What this pattern is called? This pattern is called three drivers pattern, where we see some fall and again some increase and again some fall and increase fall, and there will be a increase in it once the level are reached. Once the level are reached, you just adjust that value. Just have to look. Yeah, so here we are. We will be seeing some gain around this position, and the once it is starting gaining, we will be seeing some bounce back coming up, and there will be huge potential in it. Just look at it. Three drivers pattern has been formed, and there will be an increase here. From this level, there will be an increase, and we are expecting the fall to end, and there will be an increase, and we will be reaching our all the profit target area. What are the profit target area we are having? We have our average of 375. So this is the average price we have, right? Correct. This is the average price we have for three entries. Average price for all three entries. So this is the average price for all three entries, the 375, and then there is a flip zone around the level of 338 to 340, and there has been increase in the stock price, and it is continuously increasing. It will keeps on increasing once the flip zone comes and the pattern has been formed. Once we see the bounce back, once the green candles start appearing in Punawala, we will see some quick money has been made in Punawala, and we will be able to gain profits in it. So be rest assured, you will be making surely profit in Punawala, and you will be gaining a lot of money from Punawala. So market is consolidating as of now. So you have made your entries, three entries, and you're relaxing. Just relax. Don't have to panic. Don't have to make a new entry until we tell, and just wait for the result. Right? Tomorrow will be the Fed result. It will be important for banking as well as financial. So let's have a look if you are able to make some positions on that or not. So if you are considering the Fed decisions to happen, what will be happening in Fed decision, you don't have to worry about that. Just make sure you will be having a profitable day. Correct? So at last we have a position for Kriti Industries. Kriti Industries is down by 3.25%. So Kriti Industries have fallen currently. It is down by 3.25%. Let's have a look how Kriti Industries will be performing. So we are seeing some back. So we are seeing some backlash in Kriti Industries, and the entry. There has been some downfall. If we expect the 5% profit target to reach, there can be a there can be a downfall into the stock. So we recommend each and everyone who are making position in Kriti just to take profit at the level of 179 to 184. So this will be your level where you will be making an exit and gaining something, right? So this will be a level where you will be making money and the stock will keep decreasing. So there are many chances that the stock will keep decreasing, but you have to make an exit at the level of 179 to 184. This will be a level which will be a critical level, and also we have resistance. And according to the chart, if we just look at the chart, if you look at the chart, there has been constant fall in that. So we are expecting a decrease to come from this level also. So if we manage that up, we will be seeing some decrease. But before that, you have to take your profit at this level. So make sure whenever the stock prices reaches the profit level between 179 to 184, you are making an exit. So it is a confirm as of now, you will be making an exit once the stock reaches the target price. You don't have to worry about the resistance support. If the resistance is broken by a good volume, suppose the stock grows and breaks the resistance with a good volume, then you can consider for re-entering. Then we will be letting you know that you have to enter or not. But as of now, just be calm, be patient, and have a trust on dolphin markets that will be providing you with the good calls and entries, right? And you will be making profits on that. So we have completed our stock analysis. Let's have a look globally. What's happening globally and how global market is performing as of now. What will be the decision of rate? What are the Feds doing? What are the FII doing? Right. Let's have a look. So we have discussed about our holding. Each and every holding which we have in our portfolio have been discussed, right? And we have done the deep analysis for you. We have done the deep analysis for you and come up to a solution as of now. And what we are holding for all the 8 scripts which we have made entry. Some of the scripts we have made multiple entries, and some of which we have made only single entry and waiting for it. We have not made any double entries on many of the positions like DDV Plastic, Muthoot, MF, RBL Bank, and Kriti. Right, these are the stock where we don't have any multiple entries. But for Hindustan Oil Exploration, Poonawalla, IP Rings, and Annapurna, we have made 2 to 4 entries in that position, and we have come up to the average price, and we have shown what will be the target price according to our average price which we have made, and what will be the target price for the single entries which we have made. So this will be the target price and average price and the 5% profit price. So you can have a look what the profitability we have able to generate till now. So till now we have very successfully managed to grow your wealth, right? We have successfully managed to provide you with the consistent gains in the market, and we have been successful in providing you with the profitability, the consistent gains, the money making machine. We have been the money making machine for our clients and have been providing and delivering the returns consistently. You don't have to worry about the returns. Just keep printing money in your account and keep it to yourself, right? We are here to provide you with the advice how to keep printing money in your pocket from the stocks. The more profitable you are, the more financially well-being you are. We are here in the financial market to make our life financially independent. We are not here to make any losses. Just remember in the market that you are here to make profit. We are not here to make any losses. And we at Dolphin Markets are providing you with the right advice, right guidance, the entry which you need to do, the stock name, the stock technical analysis, the entries, averages, the 5% of profit margin, the 10 to 15% positions we are telling to do, which we are not telling to make you huge position in one script only, right? And we are able to provide you with the great returns and great profitability to each and every one of you. We are providing you with the returns. Yes or no? Just let me know in the comment section. Yes, yes, yes. Most of the answers are yes. They are getting some profit, right? Correct. So It is very good to see. Now let's have a look on Fed decision. What Fed decision can affect? Let's have a look on the global markets, how the global market is performing, how our Nifty is performing, how our market is performing as of now. Just have a look. So we'll just explore the economic, financial. So we have some news coming up from Australia, Japan, South Africa, Japan, and again China. Let's have a look on. There is not much to look as of now. There are many newses. We have to look one by one, but we don't have time for that. So we'll just have a look. Uh, so just back it up, right? And let's have a look. Let's have a look through the web pages where we will be able to see how our companies are doing now. We will just refresh that position, right? We will refresh that position. Nifty is currently trading at 24,201. So Nifty is at position of 24,201, and Nifty is making some good highs and low. Nifty is making a negativity of 134.45 points as of now, and it has fallen by 0.55%. And there has been advances in just 17 stocks out of 50 stocks of Nifty, and 33 stocks has been declined. 33 stocks has been declined for Nifty, right? If you look at the gainers and losers, I the gainers in the Nifty are Trend, Dr. Reddy, Cipla, Wipro, Sun Pharma. So these are the gainers in the Nifty 50, and the losers are majorly Tata Motors, BEL, Power Grid, JSW, Steel, and TPC. So these are the losers in the Nifty 50, major losers. If you look at the Nifty Next 50, right? What do you mean by Nifty Next 50? The next top 50 stocks which Nifty can, which in which Nifty can be considered including into the future. So we have a Nifty Next 50 at around 71,233.40, and it is down by 954, around 1.32%. So it is Nifty Next 50 is down by 1.32%. Nifty Mid Cap Select is down by 59.5 points, 0.45%. And Nifty Bank is heavily down today. Nifty Bank is down by 1.25%, and Nifty Financial Services is down by 1.71%. So this is, we are referring to the NSE data. NSE is the exchange where we trade currency, and there are only two major exchanges in India. First one is NSE and second one is BSE. Correct? If you look at the equities, the top 10 gainers and top 10 losers, you just have to wait because it is rotating as of now. So if you look at the gainers, MobiQuick, Bajaj Care, Sai Life, Craftsman Sambhav, Unicenter, Apotec, Uniinfo are the major gainers. It is around the circuit level, and the MobiQuick has hit the upper band, and it is currently closed for trading, right? And if you look at the loser, VHLRE is down by 20%, Sangi India is down by 12%, VBAG is down, V Photo is down, Somi Conway is down. So these are the stocks we are having, and it is under the downfall. Looks have a derivatives. If you look at the derivatives, most of the put options are positive currently. Most of the put options are positive. If you look around the current market price 24,200, so put options are positive by 45%, 23%, and the call options has fallen a much. Call option is down by 71.45, right? The call option has fallen and taken a lot of dip. So these are the levels we are seeing. So these are the level we are seeing for call options and put option as well. The call option is the call option is decreasing a lot, right? And the put option is gaining some, but as compared to the put option, the call option has fallen a lot of change. A lot of changes was there, right? So if you look at the FII DIA data, FII DIA data. So you'll just have a look. FII DIA data, trading activities of it. So yesterday, for the date of 17th of December, DII, domestic institutional investors have bought 11,996.54 crores and have sold, the sale value in crore was at 9290.06 crores. So overall, they have a net buy of 2706.48 crores, the net value in buying, right? So they have bought most of the, most of the stock yesterday which we are seeing the buying happening, it was from the DII side. And if we look at the FII and FPI, foreign institutional investors and foreign portfolio investors, so the date was 17th of December, the buy value was 15,558.53 crores and the sell value was 21,968 crores. So the FII have sold the value on around 21,968.39 crores. So the net value in sale was 6409. So overall, if we calculate the net buy of FII and DII, they were net sellers in the market. Combining FII and DII, and DI and FII were net sellers of around 6409 crores, right? So FII are sellers of 6.09 crores and DII were net buyers of 2706 crores. If we combine the net of FII and DII, we will see that the DII and FII have net sold in the market, combining both the returns. So it is very difficult to analyze why there has been sudden selling from the FII continuously. It has been continuously selling when the market is rising, because the Fed rate decisions has yet to come currently. We have to look how the Fed decisions will be affecting the market and how it can affect the market, Indian market, and we have to look, are the FII are getting back to the Indian market or they are not getting back to the Indian market. We just have to wait and look for their positions to be clear once there is a decision of Fed coming up in tonight, right? So we should have a wait on that, and let's pray that our market is positive, market remains positive. The volatility will be high tomorrow. It should be high for some times, right? It also may create some fears among the investors. There may be some sudden high or sudden fall in the market if the Fed decisions comes out of the analysis. They are in the market is expecting 25 bps fall in the Fed rate, the Fed interest rate. But if it is keeping constant, or if it is making fall by 50 bps, we will be able to see the market falling again, right? So we have to be very attentive for the Fed decision to come up, and we have to be seeking, are the FII coming back to the Indian market after the Fed decision? And if they are not coming back, it is a very bad sign. FII holds a lot of market share in India. They have a lot of positions in India. If they start taking out their money from India, it will be very critical to see if the market is sustaining that level. We will be even to see the market reaching the level of 22,000, 23,000 easily if the FII start pulling their funds from the market. We have seen it previously also, right? When the Nifty was at 26,000 level and the FII suddenly started pulling out money from India and started pouring that money in the China, because China stimulus package had given them the returns, have given them some gains in the market, and they were gaining from there. So FII finds opportunity wherever they finds opportunity to safeguard their capital, they will be investing their money there. So it is very clear as of now why FII plays a very important role in Indian market and why Fed rates will be playing a very critical role. So just have to wait for the Fed decisions to come out and have a look how the market will be performing after that. So we have done with the FII and DII data. This is the base on trading activity in National Stock Exchange and BSE and MSEI in capital market segment. So these are the data based on trading activity in NSE, BSE and MSEI. So if we look at the overall position in the market sentiments, the 35% are bullish, 27% are bearish, and 38% neutral. So overall, if we see, bearish are only 27% and bullish are 35%, but neutral and bearish comes up to be 65%. So we have to wait for that. Yesterday, till now, if we look at the data till 1:54 a.m., FII have sold 6409 crores and DIA cash have bought 62706.5 crore. So these are the data for DIA cash available as of now. If we look at the top gainers in the market, right, we have KPR Mills, EID Parry, Craftsman Auto, Mankind Pharma, and for top losers, if you see, NMDC is the top loser, Piramal Enterprise, PVR, Inox, Deepak Fertilizers. So these are the top losers. And for 52-week high, we have KPR Mills, EID Parry. And for 52-week low, we have Tata Technologies, which is at 52-week low, Aarti Industries, which is at 52-week low. So these are the stocks which are trading at highs and lows in the market. If we go for the world indices, the most of the US and UK, Germany, France market are positive currently, right? It is showing some sign of positivity, but overall, if we see, the Indian market is falling currently. So maybe they are pulling out their money to safeguard, and look, they are holding some cash to what will be the Fed decision and what will be the effect of that. The market has already discounted Nifty a lot, considering there will be a 25%, 25 BPS point decrease in the Fed. So this is all for today. We have gone through the analysis of our holding, right? We have gone through our analysis of holding. We have deep dive into the each and every holding we have and made it clear what are the entries we are making, what are the exits we are making. And so for the 8 stocks in our holding, we have made clear what will be the average price, what will be the entries for a single entry, single stocks which we have made, and what will be the target price on that. So Raptor is asking, the market will close bearish today. Yes, Raptor, as we are coming to the close of our market, the market will be market is closing bearish. But let's have a hope that market opens positive today after the Fed decisions come up. So we have already explained, Raptor, what will be the consequences currently, and the market have discounted based on the assumption that Fed is going to discount the BPS interest rate by 25 point BPS. So let's have a look. If it is decreasing more in terms of BPS, if it is 0.5 50 point of BPS is decreased, so there will be more fall coming up in market. And if it is as expected 0.25 BPS, so it will be as stagnant. And if it doesn't change any, the Fed doesn't take steps to change any of the 25 point BPS change which the market expecting, we will see high coming up in the Nifty. But let's have a hope, even if the BPS is not unchanged, it is changed by only 0.25 points. So that will be more beneficial for Nifty because the market has already discounted that level, right? So we have seen our stock holdings. We have seen our stocks holding and what they are doing currently. So as the close of the market, we are seeing 7 out of 8 stocks are closing negative. Only one stock, DDEV Plastic, is trading positive currently, and most of the stocks are negative. And for most of the negatives, we have a finance sector leading in it. Finance sectors are negative, and we have seen the Nifty Bank is negative currently. So the finance sector is also following its index and falling a great mark. So we have come to the close of our market. Thanks for joining today, right? Let's see what happens tomorrow, what the Fed decisions take, and what will be the market turmoil. Today is also the expiry, the weekly expiry tomorrow, and let's have a watch what the market holds for us in the tomorrow, right? Tomorrow session. In the third session, we will be talking about some fundamental concepts and why the fundamental will helping you in making you a smart investor. So we come up with daily new things and explain it to you. Just be active on the third session. It will be more of a interesting, and we will be coming back in the third session, right? Till then, happy investing, stay profitable.